If you like this video, please click the subscribe button so that you will be notified on the next videos which I will post in this channel. This time we are going to Everland in South Korea. Everland is the largest theme park in South Korea. It is located in Yongin, which is a city in Gyeonggi, the province surrounding South Korea's capital, Seoul. In this example, we used the Seoul station as our origin because our hotel is very close to the Seoul station. If your hotel is somewhere else, you should use the closest train station near your hotel. For example, if your hotel is very close to the Myeongdong station, then you will use Myeongdong station as your origin where you depart from. However, in this example, we will use the Seoul station as our origin where we depart from. In order to go to Everland Resort, first we use the Seoul Metro subway going to Gangnam Station. Then from Gangnam Station, we exit the station at exit number 10 and ride the bus going to Everland Resort. To show us the trains we will be using in going from Seoul Station to Gangnam Station, we will use as a guide a subway mobile app. There are many apps that can be used, but the best subway mobile app is the Korea Subway app. This app is available on both iOS and Android. And so, after downloading the Korea Subway app from the Google Play Store, we double-click on Start and wait for it to download the latest timetable and data. Then we click on the train icon and click Search. We type in our origin train station where we start our journey, like in this example where we used Seoul as our origin. Then we click on Seoul Station. Then we click on Depart From. Next, we click again on the train icon and click Search and type in our destination, which is Gangnam. Then we click on Gangnam Station. We click on Arrived At and wait for the app to calculate. Then we click on Detail Info and we will see all the trains we will use in this journey. You can see that the results are very detailed. Our train route result shows that we will first ride the Seoul Metro subway at the Seoul station on line 4 going in the direction of Sukmyang Women's University, most preferably on the first car, first door for faster transfer. This trip takes about 16 minutes. After 7 stations, we get down at the Sadang station using the exit door on the left side. At the Sadang station, we walk for 3 minutes from line 4 to line 2. For the next part, at the Sadang station, we ride the metro subway train at line 2 of the Sadang station going in the direction of Bangbae. After 4 stations, we get down at Gangnam Station using the exit door on the right side. And so, using this information, if your hotel is near the Seoul station, we enter the Seoul station and get down following the signboard for line number 4. You may find along the way an entry gate. Just tap your T-Money card on it. There's no charge and no additional fare since we are just inside the Seoul station and did not go anywhere else. Just keep on following the signboard for line 4 until you will see the ticket gates for line 4. We enter line 4 of the Seoul station using our T-Money card. After entering the ticket gates for Line 4, make sure you ride on the platform going in the direction of Sukmyang Women's University. When you board the train, look for the information display inside the train. This will show you in advance the train stations where the train will stop. This will also show you which door you will use in getting down the train, whether it is the left door or the right door. And so, following our train route, we get down at the Sadang station using the exit door on the left side. At the Sadang station, we transfer trains and walk for about 3 minutes from Line 4 to Line 2 of the Sadang station. And so from here, we keep on following the signboard going to Line 2 until we reach the train platform for Line 2 of the Sadang station. On the train platform for Line 2 of the Sadang station, we ride the Seoul Metro subway train on Line 2 of the Sadang station going in the direction of Bangbae. Riding on the train for Line 2 of the Seoul Metro subway from the Sadang station, after 4 stations in 10 minutes, we get down at the Gangnam station using the exit door on the right side. At the Gangnam station, we walk and follow the signboards that will take us to exit number 10 of the Gangnam station. Using the stairs or the elevator, we go up from basement B2 to B1. We exit the ticket gates of the Gangnam station using our T-Money card. After that, we go ahead following the signboards for exit number 10, where we go up and exit the Gangnam station. After going out of the Gangnam station at exit number 10, we just walk straight ahead until we will see the bus stop for bus number 5002, which is going to Everland Resort. The bus stop is clearly marked with bus number 5002 as the bus going to Everland Resort. Even the platform on the floor where we wait for the bus is marked as 5002. After enjoying our moment with our cameras, it's time to board the bus 5002 and go to Everland Resort. We enter bus number 5002 by tapping our T-Money card flat on the surface of the T-Money card reader. So there it is. We finally arrived at the Everland Resort in South Korea. This for me is the best way to go to Everland Resort from Seoul. However, there is also another way, and that is by going all the way using the Seoul Metro trains going from Seoul Station to Jeondae Everland Station. By the way, whenever you make a train route search, it will be saved in the Korea Subway app. Now, we open the train route search from Seoul Station to Jeondae Everland Station, which I previously made. We will see that if we take the metro train all the way from Seoul Station to Jeondae Everland Station, the trip will take 2 hours and 1 minute, and we will have to transfer trains 4 times. But as for me, give me liberty because we are now going to explore and enjoy Everland in South Korea. But as always, don't worry, be happy and have a very happy trip.
간다. It's real. It's not fake. No, it's real. Why are you touching me? Don't touch the flowers. Is that the real flowers over there? Okay, 1, 2, ready, go. So where are we now?
We're now at the Sky Cruise cable car.